let a sub n be 10 over n plus 1. I want to graph the first 5 terms. So for a sub 1, we're going to have 10 over 1 plus 1, which is 5. A sub 2 will be 10 over 2 plus 1, which is 10 over 3. And we just continue this pattern. We have 10 over 3 plus 1, which is 10 fourths, or 5 over 2. A sub 4 would be 10 over 4 plus 1, which is 2. And then a sub 5 is 10 over 5 plus 1, which is 5 thirds. Now, in order to graph this, we know that a sub n takes in values of n that are 1, 2, 3, etc. So this is a discrete graph. It's not going to be continuous, so we're not going to be connecting the dots. And for the y values, what we should do is go up by 1. So the first term is 5. Second term is 10 over 3, which is about 3 1/3. Third term is 5 halves, which is 2 1/2. Fourth term is 2. And then the fifth term is 5 thirds, which is about 1.6. Repeating. And that is our graph. For the next sequence, we're given a sub n is equal to negative 1 to the n power. So if we let n equal 1, we have negative 1 to the first power. And when I raise negative 1 to the n power, or some power of n, you're always going to be alternating. And it has to be an odd power. So it cannot be like 2n. That's always going to be positive. So if you have an odd exponent, and you have negative 1 in parentheses, this is always going to be alternating. So once you find the first term, you can find out the rest. So start negative 1, go to 1, negative 1, 1.